In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add the DuckDuckGo Search widget on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded DuckDuckGo private browser on your device. Now press and hold anywhere on the home screen, select the option Edit, click on Add Widget. Now scrolling down, you're going to find list of apps. From the list of apps, find DuckDuckGo, click on it. Now here you're going to find different shortcut widget that you can add to your home screen or the lock screen. Just scroll and check out all these widgets. Once you find the one that you want to set to your home screen, all you have to do is click on this option of Add Widget. Now place it anywhere in your home screen. Once you are done, click anywhere on the screen and you are good to go. You can now tap the DuckDuckGo widget anytime to start a private search without opening the app first. So this is how you can easily add the DuckDuckGo Search widget on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.